Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us on Angie's video number 5. We're practicing some addition here. If you want to play along with us, don't forget to have a parent. Hit the link in the description where you'll be able to get this activity for yourself and you can try it over and over again. Thank you again for joining us. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Without much further ado, here's Angie.
Hello, everybody. My name's Angelica, and I'm 4 years old, and I'm doing an activity today.
Yeah, thanks everyone for joining us. We're gonna have a good time. Can you tell your friends how much you like these activities?
So much.
Yeah, that's what she asks for all the time. She wants to do these. Can you guess what you're gonna do in this one? Or do you want Mama to tell you what you're doing?
I know what we're doing. We're doing
Okay.
numbers.
Numbers, what are you doing with the numbers?
We're gonna see how many numbers do we have to do with the plus.
Okay, what does the plus mean?
It means you have to pick.
We gotta add them together?
Yeah.
Yeah? Plus means add, and that's a plus sign right there.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
1 plus 2 is 3.
Okay, and can you show? Perfect. Okay, that's good. But can you show in the camera what you did with your fingers? What did you do?
I put 3 here because 2 plus 3 is 1 plus 2 equals 3.
Okay, those are some good words. Equals and plus. Can you do that? What's that one? Show your fingers. How are you gonna do that one? The second one. Okay, can you show with your fingers what you did?
I made the number 2 go here because 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Yeah, so you do one finger and then another finger and you count them 1 and 2. Yeah?
1 and 2.
Yeah. Okay, try the next one.
Bing, bing,
Bing, bing, bing. It's like bunny ears. Bing, 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 bing.
I got bunny ears. I got big bunny ears.
All right, what's the next one?
Funny.
You want to take a guess on what this is?
Not yet.
Okay.
It looks like it has. Maybe it's a heart tree or something.
A heart tree?
Or maybe it's a bunny holding some flowers with.
A bunny holding flowers?
With hearts everywhere around it.
Okay.
Or maybe butterflies.
Or butterflies. Those are all good guesses. Okay, what's next?
3 plus 2.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again.
That's some good counting.
5
again? You hadn't seen 5 yet?
Yeah. Whoa. Actually, this kind of looks like a flower pot, so it can hold
a flower pot?
So it can hold these. Or maybe an arm that's broken from a robot. With a hand connected.
A broken robot arm. Okay.
Yeah. And this might be from a tree, and these are butterflies flying around it.
Okay, keep going. What's the next one?
4 plus 1. That's hard.
Okay, try it.
4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5 again?
A 5 again.
This time it's black. And this, wait, this 5 is black. And the page is white like this one. This page is black. And the 5 is white.
Oh my goodness, it is. You're absolutely right. They switched places.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep.
Okay, keep going.
2 plus 2.
Let's see if we get your robot arm that's broken. 2 plus 2.
Actually, this kind of looks like popcorn or something.
Popcorn again? You think it's going to be popcorn again?
Or maybe it's still flowers with butterflies around. I don't think.
You don't think it's a robot arm anymore?
Nope. I think this is a flower pot, and this is the thing that helps it stand up.
All right, let's try 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 is 4.
Good job. How'd you know that? I didn't see you do fingers.
Well, I didn't need to because I already know.
Oh, okay.
Because I practiced on my paper, and I know that was 4.
Oh, okay. You remember from practicing. Good.
Yeah.
Oh, how about this one?
Oh, 4 plus 3.
Oh, that's a lot of fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, We have to type 7. Is it French fries?
I don't know. You think it's French fries now, not popcorn or butterflies?
It's French fries.
You think it's French fries now?
Okay, 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. I hope this is French fries. It looks like French fries. Are these hearts?
I don't know.
That is a heart.
Do you love French fries?
Yeah.
Maybe it's French fries with love. I don't know. We'll see.
Maybe that's why somebody loves French fries.
Yeah, is that somebody you?
No. I like French fries, not love it.
Okay.
If you love French fries, you can marry it.
Are you gonna marry French fries?
If I love it. But I don't love it. If I would love it, then I would marry it. And I don't marry French fries. I don't marry it.
Okay.
Okay. 2 plus 5.
I want to marry a French fry.
You can't do that.
Why not?
Because you only have to love it to do that.
Okay. I do love French fries though.
Okay, then you can marry it. But not this one, because this is not real.
Oh, okay. We don't even know if it's French
2,
fries.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 again?
Oh my goodness.
What the?
That means 2 plus 5 makes 7, and also 4 plus 3 makes 7. That's so cool, huh? Math is so cool.
Yeah, I like doing math.
Yeah. All right, what's that?
I don't know how to do 6 fingers.
So 5 and 1 more, that's 6 fingers.
5, 1 more, 6
Okay,
fingers.
and then how many more fingers do you need now? Wait, how much are you gonna add?
I need to count.
But you already know this is 6, and you gotta add what to 6?
I need to count my fingers.
Okay, go ahead, count your fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, and what are you gonna add? But you need to add more.
Okay, maybe I should start this.
Maybe you should add your fingers like this. Look, all right? We're gonna add 1 and 2 more. So this is 6 fingers and 2 more fingers.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I know where the 8 is.
Okay,
I think it's right here.
perfect.
Yeah, it's right there.
All right, what's the last question?
I hope this is French fries.
Oh, let's see.
Is this a dog on the French
I
fries?
don't know, we'll see.
These are hearts.
Okay, go. What's the last one and we'll find out. What's the last one?
5 plus 5 is 10.
How do you know that?
Because 1, 0.
Oh.
It's French fries.
You want me to tell you what this says?
What?
It says, time fries when I'm with you.
That's why somebody loves it.
Yeah.
Thank
Yay. Tell your friends. Thank you for joining me.
you for joining me. I want to tell them one last thing before
Okay.
you
Tell them
stop.
whatever you want. What do you want to tell them?
Bye, everyone. Thank you for enjoying my activity today. I hope you had fun with me.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. I'm going to go.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you had a blast just like Angie counting all of these numbers. Hopefully you got to use your fingers too. And we also hope you love French fries just as much as Angie does. We will see you on the next one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're liking these activities. A message for the parents: if you love the pixel art and would like to use them within your own classroom, even if you do not teach kindergarten, make sure that you download and check out our videos on how to edit these to use in your own classroom, as they are free. So definitely take advantage of all of those free resources. We will see you on the next one. Bye.